Let's work an example that shows how to use information about extra revenue and extra cost to identify the optimal level of employment and the maximum profit. Our example will suppose that the amount of output a firm can sell in the short run depends only upon how much L it employs. The table shows the relationship between L and the extra output and the average output. Fixed cost equals $500. I'll write that down somewhere. Fixed cost equals $500. Output is sold at a price of $5 per unit. Price equals $5. And L is purchased at a price of $75. W is $75. Well, I could go through pretty quickly and calculate profit for every value of L. But the spreadsheet is pretty simple. But there's a quicker and much easier way. I can very quickly find the extra revenue generated as L goes from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and etc. like that. The extra output when L goes from 0 to 1 is 100. The price is $5. So the extra revenue is 500. 5 times 80 gives me extra revenue of 400. 5 times 69, got to do a little calculation in my head here. 5 times 69 gives me, yeah, that'd be right, 345. Then it's going to be 295. Then it's going to be 260. It'll be 210. It'll be 160. Let's see, 22 times 5 is going to be 110. 12 times 5 will equal 60. And 2 times 5 gives me 10. So I very quickly found total revenue. I know that as long as the extra revenue is greater than the wage rate, 75, profit increases as L increases. So I can quickly see that if we'd like to hire the first unit of L, because 500 is greater than 75, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, and the eighth. We want L to increase from 0 to 8 because the extra revenue of each extra level of employment is higher than the wage we have to pay for each extra level of employment. However, we'll do purple. Danger, 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 Mr. Robinson. When L goes from 8 to 9, the extra revenue is only 60, and 60 is less than 75. We do not want to see L go from 8 to 9 because the extra revenue generated is less than the extra cost. So we've demonstrated pretty quickly that the optimal amount of employment is L equals 8. That's a different color here. Is L equals 8. Do it in green. The optimal employment, the optimal production is 456. To find profit, all we're going to do right now is find the profit at that level of employment. So we're paying 75 for 8 units of L. 75 times 8, 0, carry the 4. If I've done my math correctly, that's $600. We're paying $600 for L. We also had to pay $500 in fixed cost. So 1100 is our total cost. Our total revenue is 456 times 5, which will give me times 5, 0 carry the 3, 8 carry the 2, 20 is 2280. So my profit is going to be 2280 minus 1100, which is 1180. That's again the revenue of 2280 minus the cost of 1100. So without doing a lot of work, I found pretty quickly that the optimal level of employment is 8 and the maximum profit is $1,180.